It's the new year 2023. Crazy, crazy stuff. Celebration hat, dinosaur hat, of course. And we are trying second time on this channel. It's been like more than a year. Wanted like chicken pot pie, but then I'm like, ooh, salmon pie. Salmon looks a little better here, as you can kind of see. But it is nice salmon pie. Orange juice. And we dig in. You can kind of see, I'm trying, ooh, hot, hot. But a nice, like, whatever, meat pie is kind of different, but like chicken pot pie, classic. And this is almost the same, but with salmon. Salmon, classy and classic. Let's go. You can see a little bit more. Oh yeah, this tastes good. So the crust. Yeah, well, that's a big piece. I think, unless it explodes, it's gonna explode. Well, this half is like a mess. It's all, and this one is like one nice chunk. Was this a big one? Okay. Boom, 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 boom. Hopefully I don't burn myself. Let's go. Just right. Just right. Ugh. Mm. So I don't know if you people did a lot of going out. Here it's cold, of course. So like some people need to have like a party or something for the new year. I just more relax. I was a little bit sick during the Christmas week. So being recovered, being like, yeah, and just relaxing, but to each his own. Yeah, and I was like, what do I eat? And I went back and checked. Last year was muffins. And the year before that was taquitos and guacamole. So there's no real meal, right, for the new year. So whatever the mukbang is, the mukbang is. And I was feeling this. Ooh. Okay then. And yeah, I'm feeling it. Oh, can we have a mega bite? That's a mega bite. That is one huge. That's almost, no, it has to be full. We will not tolerate anything less. All right, let's go. Mm-hmm. Ooh. Some of these mukbangers, they live by the huge bite. I don't know how they do it. Because you gotta, you know, oh, it's not like automatic, like, yeah. You gotta, once in a while it's nice, especially at the end, you know, you have like the last piece and it's like, oh yeah, and you're like, but every time, put too much work in the eating, you gotta just relax. All right. Ooh, can I eat it like this one? Yeah. This one actually maintains its shape. I could eat it like a thing. What's up? Yeah. I'm impressed. And the other one was all, I tried to put it and it was like, and I had to like push everything together, falling apart. This one though, I could run away. I could be in an action movie and just eat, and you know, dodge monsters or shoot bad guys and that. Pretty crunchy, flaky crust. Some people seem to really like the crust on these things, but for me, like, it's all about the middle. This. Oh yeah, this, okay. It happens. That's the stuff. First bite. The best for last. We got it. Do a huge bite this. Yeah. Let's see if it kind of fits. Or we'll do a 2-story bite. Get in there, you. Get in there, I said. All right, starting off the year with big, ridiculous bites for no reason. Whew. This is okay. Might be the biggest thing, the biggest bite. I don't remember. Did I do the donut thing? Did I just eat a donut? I don't think I did. Not on camera. Why are there? Anyway, you know what's going on. That doesn't change. That doesn't change. Sadly, new year, stomping around, breathing oxygen. They don't even think about it. Okay, let's go then. Huge. Huge. Because you know what? You, yes you, are gonna have a huge year. That's why. That's what that means. So you have no choice. All right. See you next time.